everyone, I'm Shweta and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about colocasia. Colocasia is a vegetable mainly grown in tropical areas like Southeastern Asia and India. The roots of colocasia are known as Arabi roots and taro roots in India, and the plant is known as aru in Marathi. Arabi, taro, or colocasia is mainly to be grown in marshy lands and requires very less sunlight. Both its plant and the roots are edible and used as a vegetable. Colocasia is known as a holy plant that is sacred, also used in offering to God in India. It's mainly because of the huge list of benefits it adds to your body. It is consumed only when cooked and it has enormous benefits to your body.
This is how these colocasia roots look like. And this is how the colocasia leaves look like. There are plenty of health benefits of colocasia leaves and colocasia roots. It reduces cholesterol and controls blood pressure. It helps in preventing anemia and hence it boosts your immune system. Colocasia leaves contain high protein and they have low fat. Hence, it is very good for weight loss. It's considered very healthy for skin, and if consumed on regular basis, it acts as anti-aging for your skin. It has a vital role in fetal brain and nervous system development. It's recommended for pregnant ladies to consume colocasia leaves. It is a natural remedy for increasing the sperm count. Hence, the males who have these kind of problems can consume colocasia leaves on regular basis. It ensures health of your eyes. It contains antioxidants that prevent cancer. You can see the numerous minerals and vitamins in the colocasia leaf. 1 cup of colocasia leaf has 35 calories and plenty of fibers and plenty of vitamins and minerals and a very low level fat. This pot I had purchased from nursery and it was already filled up with soil by them. That's why I am digging up a hole. She is lazing around. To plant colocasia, you only require the Arabi roots, that is colocasia roots, which are easily available at any vegetable vendor.
These are thread-like structures at the bottom. These are the roots. This is where the roots are going to grow. And this is where you see a cut. This is your stem side. Similarly on this, these are the roots. These thread-like structures here. These are the roots and this cut is the stem side. So we plant this in such a way that the roots face the bottom and the stem side face you, that is the top surface.
I am planting the root in the allocated area. You have to completely bury the root inside the soil. Colocasia or Arabi requires lots of water. It is a plant having a good water content. It's mostly grown in marshy lands and therefore you need not fear overwatering. It will always survive in lots of water. These are some of the timelines that I have recorded. First is the sowing video that was recorded on 17 June. After 2 months, on the right hand side you can see the plant image. It has grown, and the first yield video is following this one, which is taken on 25th August, that is very close to 17th August. Though Colocasia is meant to survive in less sunlight, it cannot tolerate very low temperatures like below 10 degrees. This plant requires 1.5 to 2 months to start growing, later which it accelerates its growth and gives lots of produce. The temperature in which my plant is growing is about 22 to 24 degrees Celsius in daylight. This is the new outgrowth of the recently planted roots, and these are the stems of Colocasia. It is always in branches, so you can see the V-shaped 2 branches. We have to cut them an inch above the branching, and we don't cut it right at the branch because it will stop growing. So an inch above branching is fine. This plant has given me 3 yields within a month, and 4 leaves can serve 2 people. This image is as on 1st September 2020. Even after 3 yields, this is the 4th yield that is ready. At the end of the video, I have posted a small and easiest recipe of this plant. You have to consume this plant only when it is cooked and not raw or in the salads. This is the healthiest and easiest plant you can grow, the vegetable that you can grow in your own garden in a very small space. You can see only one pot is accommodating so many roots. I have planted almost 7-8 of them. You can keep Colocasia indoors because it requires very less sunlight. I have kept it below my window. It becomes a great part of your home decor. While cutting the leaves of Colocasia, we have to choose only the largest ones. The smaller ones have not yet fully grown. There is a technique of cutting the vegetable. We have to first peel off the stem skin. I am showing you how to peel it off. This is the way. Now I am peeling off all the other stems. Now wash the leaves and the stem thoroughly. The stem should be finely chopped. For finely chopping the leaf, you need to cut them into half. I'll take two at a time. The leaves should be cut this fine. These are the ingredients for the recipe. Heat 2 tablespoons cooking oil in a pressure cooker. Add cumin seeds, coriander and red chili powder. Stir for 5 seconds. Add half a cup of red lentil, that is masoor dal. Stir for 5 seconds. Now add the chopped colocasia leaves and add some turmeric powder. We will need 1 cup of water to boil and some salt to taste. Pressure cook with 4 whistles. This recipe can serve 2 people. Arabi roots are also used for cooking. They are used as replacement of potatoes.
If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and like the video.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.